Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to collect hero awards on a game Bunker Wars. Basically you have a few options how to do it. The first one is to click here and it open automatically awards. Or the second one is to go to heroes, then click on get reward near to your hero, then click on hero road at the bottom, and then click on rewards. If you have a premium, you can also take these rewards on the bottom, but I haven't, so I can't. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.